How to transfer WhatsApp chats without backup in iPhone to iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the option for chats. Tap on that, and then in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the option for transfer chats to iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on the start option you see there. You will then be required to scan the QR code. So scan the QR code with the other iPhone first and then download WhatsApp on the new phone, and make sure to register with the same number and scan the code. Once you scan the QR code with your new iPhone, all the chats will be transferred to your new iPhone. So, this is how you can transfer chats without backup from iPhone to iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.